Origin sneak peek air cards. Axie Origin is fast approaching. In case you missed it, we posted an overview of our soft launch plans last week. All hands are on deck internally around the soft launch of Axie Origin. We want to provide some updates around what our community should expect. While we continue building towards our initial soft launch through the Mavis Hub, we have our next set of Origin cards for you to check out. The Ears. This is the first time in Axie's history that Ears will have their own cards. What? Again, please note that cards are dynamic and will change over time based on feedback from the community and data we collect around relative power. Do not make market decisions based on these teasers. They are meant to serve as a taste of what's to come in Origin and allow you all to start theory crafting. Many of you requested high-resolution copies of the artwork, so we have compiled drive with art here. So I'll just post the link of this page to my below so that you can click and grab the art. Here are the Origins ear cards. And Reptile, there's a Freezard. Randomly apply effect 4 times to your team. Heal and apply 1 damage boost each time. Small Frail, apply 3 poison to all enemies. Heal this Axie for 30 HP. Swirl, shuffle 3 confused into your opponent's discard pile. Wow. Sideboard, apply 2 poison and bleed for 4 turns to a random enemy. Pagona, apply Fragile for 4 turns. Corpse Fine, target any ally next turn after the target is attacked. Apply bleed to the attacker for 4 turns. In Aquatic, Nemo, gain 1 energy if this Axie's HP is full. Tiny Fan, draw 1 card, gain 3 damage boost. Yield, your team gains 1 bubble. Sea Slug, cleanse 2 debuffs, gain 2 cleanser. Inkling, shuffle 1 Jinx into your opponent's discard file. Bubble Maker, target any ally, target gains 2 bubbles. Let's talk about Beast. Zen, if initial, this Axie meditates. Puppy, heal your team if initial, remove 1 curse card from your deck. Innocent Lamb, select and add 1 copy of this Axie scale card to your hand and banish. Believer, randomly deal 3 hits, gain 1 rage per enemy hit. Nutcracker, all Nutcracker cards of this Axie gain 6 damage this battle. Yan. Deal 15 bonus damage against bleeding enemy. And plant cards. Clover, summon 1 Clover. Maybe it's a pet, I think. Rosa, innate, apply 2 poison and sleep for 2 turns to a random enemy and vanish. Hollow, this Axie loses 75 HP. Summon a Trunk. Wow, it's a summoning type Trunk. Sakura, target any ally whenever you play a card. This battle heal this Axie 10 HP. Leafy, 0 energy, 30 energy. Randomly deal 2 hits, consume up to 3 leaves to deal 5 damage per leaf consumed. Okay. Lotus, there's no definition what's in this card, so I just leave it blank here. And the bug cards. Tassels, heal your team, heal for 4 bonus HP per card on your hand. Larva, Scry, 2 cards. Gain 1 energy if discard 1 skill card upon scrying. Air Wing. Attack all enemies. Deal 3 bonus damage per card on your hand. Air Breathing. Randomly deal 4 hits, shuffle 1 goo per enemy hit into opponent's discard pile. Beetle Spike. Deal pure damage, apply bleed for 4 turns. Lip Bug. Whenever this is drawn, gain 30 shield. Oh, nice. There's a 1 0 energy here, and then there's a 2 energy needed, maybe. Bird. Pink Check. Discard up to 2 cards, then draw that many. That's banish. Little Owl. All Little Owl cards of this Axie gain 6 damage this battle. Peacemaker. Apply weak for 2 turns. If target previously has weak, deal 15% more damage. Early Bird. If initial, draw 1 card. Curly. Deal 25% more damage to shield. And Risky Bird. Apply weak to this Axie for 2 turns. That's it for the Origin sneak peek air cards. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks.